Oh, okay. I am now live. Okay. I guess that was a previous test run. I always mess up when I do this thing. So, my title today is the Rare White Lion. This lion, believe it or not, was only documented as recently as 1938. So, there are actually tales going back about this lion that date over 400 years, that there were high priests back then that saw this animal as a divine creature, a gift from God. And there are cultures still today that see this animal as the most sacred animal in all of Africa. And that's saying a lot, because I love watching the nature shows, mainly the ones that focus on Africa. I think the animals and the creatures in Africa are beautiful. And to say you're the best one, you're the most sacred one, is saying a lot, because I think they've got the best animals in the world in Africa. It's amazing. I want to go there someday. But I guess my point is, just look at this picture of this white lion. They are something about them, their look, it's mystifying. They're beautiful creatures, the blue eyes, the white hair, they are absolutely beautiful. And there are protection agencies out there. Of course, people being the way we are, we almost wiped them off the planet, because, we have to have everything that we see that we want, and or try to make a profit off of it. So kill it and try to sell it to people. And so there was protection groups spanning over 7 countries that came together and saved this animal from extinction, and it's finally starting to come back. But this animal was literally only first documented back in 1938 in one region of Africa. So it is an extremely rare, beautiful creature. So, my point is that, there's, like I said, there's cultures out there that see this as the most sacred animal in all of Africa. High priests see it as a divine creature sent from God above. And, so many times we're getting up and starting our day, and we're just like, looking in the mirror, I don't like this. What about this? What about, I wish I could fix this or that, or, and here's the thing. How different would your day be if you realized the truth? The truth being that you are 1,000 times more special than the white lion. You are full of unlimited potential. You can do and be anything you want to be. You have everything you need to accomplish what you're trying to accomplish in this world. You have everything. So what's holding you back? What happened yesterday, last week, 3 weeks ago, a year ago? Because all that is you're letting that dictate your mind, your belief about yourself. But that's not the truth. So what if you knew the truth? How different would your day today be? How different would that make this upcoming week, month, and the rest of this year if you knew that you are 1,000 times more special than this sacred, beautiful white lion? And, that's it. Short and sweet. That's my message today. So hopefully start looking in the mirror and see the white lion. Go out today and be the white lion, because that's really the truth of who you are. And so that's my hope for everybody, is to see your true potential and go out there and get it. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. I don't know how to end this. Let me see.